Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Destin on the Gulf 206. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Destin in the Florida region, with Destin Beach nearby, Destin on the Gulf 206 provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi and free private parking. The condo hotel provides guests with a balcony, sea views, a seating area, a TV, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and an oven, and a private bathroom with bath and free toiletries. Fort Walton Beach Park is 7.4 miles from Destin on the Gulf 206, while Big Kahuna's water park is 1.8 miles away. The nearest airport is Destin Executive Airport, 3.1 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.